Hello, my name is Mariana Shatira binti Muhammad Sari and my metric number is 820A1439. We from Group 7L2 Financial Management subject. Financial management is the process of analysis money and investment for the firm in order to make business decisions. One of most frequent methods of analysis financial data is to compute ratio from the financial statement and compare them to those of other firms or the company past performance. In 2017, 2018, and 2019, our group picked two firms to compute and execute financial ratio analysis, which is Petroleum Nasional Berhad Petronas and Petron Corporation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazanani binti Abdul Jamil and my metric number is A20A2278. Here are the analysis of 14 financial ratio of Petronas Gas Berhad in 2017, 2018 and 2019. First, Petronas got the highest current ratio and quick ratio in 2018, which was 7.04 times and 6.94 times respectively. However, the highest net working capital was achieved in 2019, which was 4,124,967 ringgit, and in 2018, Petronas got the highest inventory turnover, which was 82.48 times. Besides, the highest of average collection period was 63 days in 2019. Then Petronas got the highest fixed asset turnover and total asset turnover in 2018, which was 0.30 times and 0.44 times respectively. Moreover, Petronas also got the highest debt ratio and debt to equity in 2019, which was 30.73% and 45.44% respectively. Furthermore, the highest gross profit margin was achieved at 46.12% and the highest AC receivable turnover was 5.84 times, both in 2018. In addition, Petronas received the highest net profit margin in 2017, which was 37.78%, while the highest return on asset was earned in 2019, which was 14.63%. And lastly, the highest return on equity was earned in 2018, which was 10.36%. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amirul Aiman bin Umar Yusof. My number metric is 820-82151. I will present 3.2, which is horizontal ratio analysis for Petron Malaysia Refining and Marketing Berhad in 2017, 2018 and 2019. Based on the data present in table form, Petron has invested a lot of money in terms of net working capital of RM 590,594. Moreover, in 2019, account receivable turnover was done 27.22 times. Lastly, in 2018, the average collection period is 18 days.
4.1 The title is Vertical Ratio Analysis for Petronas Gas Berhad and Petron Malaysia Refining and Marketing Berhad in 2017. There are two tables which show that there are 14 aspects between Petronas and also Petron. In the first table, Petronas is more than Petron in 7 aspects. Among them are number 1 is current ratio, number 2 is net working capital, number 3 is quick ratio, number 4 is inventory turnover, number 5 is average collection period, number 6 is gross profit margin, and the last one is net profit margin. In the second table show that Petron is more than Petronas in 7 aspects. Among them are number 1 is fixed asset turnover, number 2 is total asset turnover, number 3 is debt ratio, number 4 is debt to equity, number 5 is account receivable turnover, number 6 is return on asset, and the last one is return on equity.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazafira binti Zamri. My matrix number is 820A1797. Now this is my part. My part is vertical rational analysis for Petronas and Petron in 2018. Ratio are used as many as 14 different types. Every year for two types company is Petron and Petronas will have a decline and an increase in business. Here, each of the 14 types of ratio needs to be compared to identify the year has a high level of achievement or does not mean to make a profit or vice versa. Example, I explain the first ratio is the current ratio. The current ratio formula is current asset divided current liability. For Petronas, the value is 7.04 times and Petron is 1.38 times. This shows that Petronas ratio is larger than Petron and is be able to pay the liabilities more. Similarly, with the ratio analysis, another that shows one of the company that's big and small value. That's all from me. Thank you.
4.3 Vertical ratio analysis for Petronas Gas Berhad and Petron Malaysia Refining and Marketing Berhad in 2019. Petronas has received more than Petron in current ratio, quick ratio, net working capital, inventory turnover, average collection period, gross profit margin, net profit margin, return on asset, and return on equity. Petron has received more than Petronas in fixed asset turnover, total asset turnover, debt ratio, debt to equity, and account receivable turnover.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Kamala Shafika binti Muhammad Hamdan and my metric number is A20A1604. In this part, I'm going to talk about conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, we know that financial ratio analysis is very important for comparison line items in the financial statements of every company in the world and used to evaluate several issues with entities such as liquidity, profitability, activities, and leverage ratios. Based on the ratio analysis table, we can see that Petronas earn lower profit each year compared to Petron with a percentage respectively. Petronas profits are increasing year by year while Petron is declining year by year. There are several suggestions for both organizations to improve their financial management and profit margins, such as keep your overhead costs under control. Both companies must examine their spending on rent, labor, professional fees, marketing, and other expenses. Then get rid of any assets that are no longer useful to you. Every business must have its own set of disadvantages. They simply kept it, squandered resources, and walk away empty-handed. It would be preferable to simply rid of them for whatever they are worth, or sell them and obtain a price. The cash balance will increase after sales, depreciation will be eliminated, and the ratio will improve. That's all from me. Thank you.